Girl, the last time you saw me, I wasn't as cool. And I'm hanging out in Mexico, down by the pool in Cabo, San Lucas. If I send you a ticket, would you fly in? Sure like to see you, we could hook up again in Cabo, San Lucas. And I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar and I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me, I ain't got nobody else in Cabo, San Lucas. Well, the Baja gets hot this time of year, and except for the fishermen, they all disappear in Cabo, San Lucas. Pacifico is great, tequila is too. I got it all going on, but I ain't got you in Cabo, San Lucas. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar and I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me, I ain't got nobody else in Cabo, San Lucas. Oh, I'll show you the stars and the moon on the Sea of Cortez, and the beach at San Juan is the sun sinking down in the west. I'm leaving you this message, and if you give it down and you wanna call me, you know.
Давай, до конца. Ой, выход. Чтоб рыбу видно в видео, все поймал.
Тянет?
Что-то не утащила удочку.
На дно утащила, она глубоко ушла. Кит, может быть?
Ух ты!
Тунец, туна.
Красавец. О, здорово.
Саш, не вытаскивай.
Саня!
Какой красивый.
Заморачивай. Давай вниз, давай бросим, Саш, дальше бросим. Да
куда же тебя?
Да сейчас.
Где Наташа? Бросай.
Карабина такой, что ли? Сейчас кровью забрызгает.
Подожди, какой кровь?
Ну, крови нет, он в запасе.
Подожди-ка, сейчас я возьму.
О,
Красавец.
о, сашими есть.
О, рыбки полетели.
А из него сыпется, смотри, сколько.
О,
Да, маленький.
I wasn't as cool, and I'm hanging out in Mexico, down by the pool in Cabo, San Lucas. If I send you a ticket, would you fly in? Sure like to see you. Cabo, San Lucas. And I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar and I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me, I ain't got nobody else in Cabo, San Lucas. Well, the Baja gets hot this time of year, and except for the fishermen, they all disappear in Cabo, San Lucas. Pacifico is great, tequila is too. I got it all going on, but I ain't got you in Cabo. Cabo San Lucas. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar and I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me. I ain't got nobody else in Cabo. Cabo San
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lisa. Happy birthday to you.
Поздравляем! Поздравляем!
You can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me. I ain't got nobody else in Cabo. Cabo San Lucas. Oh, I'll show you the stars and the moon on the Sea of Cortez. And the beach at San Juan is the sun sinking down in the west. I'm leaving you this message, and if you give it down and you wanna call me, you know where I am in Cabo. Cabo San Lucas, way down in Mexico, way down in Cabo.
Каскад огромный. Ой, да они наглые.
Bright light city, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're all living the devil may care, and I am just a devil with.
Viva Las Vegas! Сейчас.
Люди в булочную туда сидят.
Люди на футболочном такси не ездят. South Mall.
Where you going?
А?
Where you going?
South Mall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Еще раз спроси, how much на всякий случай.
How much?
What did he say?
$55.
That's what it is.
Okay.
He's the man there.
Сколько?
Окей.
I'll let you-
Окей.
55, короче.
Хочу первый выйти.
Первый выйдет.
Наши люди
я думала,
булочную на такси не ездят. Наши люди ездят шопиться на лимузине.
Он хочет первый
мы раньше не
выйти.
догадались.
Иди вперед. Он говорит, я хочу первый
О,
выйти.
что ж мы раньше по Мексике на какой-то ерунде катались. Все-таки я зайду.
Greetings. Unusual combat headgear she is.
Lighting. You're lit. Hit the move button again. There you go. Right, move them. Excellent. All right. Oh wow. Where are you taking
Allowed to utilize during filming the Back to the Future vehicles in 2000. Scene. I told you guys. In order to achieve this, they did like singing in the rain. Filmmakers would add powdered milk to the water. Oh. Whoa! Al Roker was right.
All you need is a strong heart and a nerve of steel. Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas with your neon flashing and your one-armed bandits crashing. All those hopes down the drain. Viva Las Vegas, turning day into nighttime, turning night into daytime. If you see it once, you'll never be the same again. I'm gonna keep on the run, I'm gonna have me some fun. It cost me my very last dime. If I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swing in time. I'm gonna give it everything I've got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Viva Las Vegas! Viva